All In One Vicky, and today we are going to make our second video on technical thing. So let us start with the technical thing. Today we are going to discuss with CCTV cameras. I'll tell you the detailed information about the CCTV cameras, basic things about the CCTV cameras and all. Thanks for watching, keep supporting, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Hey friends, so let us start our today's topic, and today's topic is related with the closed circuit television. Okay, as you can see, it is also named as CCTV. And first point is definition. Definition is a system in which signals are not publicly distributed but are monitored. It means it's a closed circuit television, so signals are not public. The signal means the recordings and all which is happening from the camera. It is not publicly distributed but are monitored, and primarily for surveillance and security purpose we use CCTVs. Okay, so next point is the types of CCTV according to their shapes, according to their use, according to their function. The types are made. So very first type is dome camera. As it is having dome like a shape, so it is called as dome camera. Okay, and next point is bullet camera, which is having a bullet like a shape, so it is called as bullet camera. The third one is a C mount CCTV camera. C mount CCTV camera is having a C like a structure, and so it is mounted at a 90 degree. Okay, so it looks like a 90 degree. So next point is day-night CCTV cameras, which are used for day and night purpose. The single camera which is used in day as well as in night. Okay, the next point is infrared night vision CCTV cameras, which are specially used in the night where the darkness is there. There we can use infrared night vision CCTV camera. Okay, next point is network IP CCTV cameras, which are work on IP CCTV cameras. Okay, so IP means it's a internet protocol, so it works on a network, so that is called as IP and network CCTV cameras. Next point is wireless cameras. So wireless cameras can be accessed through the internet because they don't have any connections with the DVRs and all. DVR, what is DVR? I will explain you later. So let us move towards next point. Next point coming up with the most widely used CCTV cameras. Okay, these are the dome cameras. As you can see, I explained you in the type of camera is one kind of camera, basic camera used in ATMs, banks, public places for indoor purpose. Okay, wherever we require to install in the building or in some room, we use these dome cameras. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the installation process for this particular camera. Okay, and as you can see, this one is a basic dome camera and this one is the infrared dome camera. As you can see, these are the infrared LEDs, and it will support in the night as well. Okay, so this is a example of bullet camera. As you can see here, it's having bullet like a shape. These both cameras are different. Okay, this is a basic bullet camera and this is a IR bullet camera. You can use it in night also. This camera you can use it in night. Okay, and this camera is a basic camera, and the top of this is the roof provided in the rainy season or from the sun, so it will help to avoid that the sun rays and raindrops. Okay, let us move towards next point. The next point is coming up with basic requirements of installation for camera. Okay, the first is you required one camera, you require DVR, you require power supply, you require BNC and cables. Okay, these four requirements of installation of camera. If you have these four things with you, you can easily install the dome camera. Okay, so these are the diagrams for it, and the very first one is camera, and second point is DVR. So DVR is here, and the third point is power supply. Power supply is either 12 volt or either 24 volt. maybe 24 volt DC. Okay, these are the DC power supply for the dome cameras. I'm going to tell you about the dome cameras only. So we can't explain all the cameras because it will take more time. If you want, you can drop me in comment box. I'll explain. I'll make a video on that also. So we will move towards next point, BNC and cables. So this is your BNC. The yellow, you can see it on the screen, is your BNC. Okay, this one is called as BNC, which is connected to camera as well as it is connected to DVR. Okay, another end will be connected to DVR. So cable is here. This part is called as cable. As you can see it is a 2-core cable. So if you cut this cable from here, you will get 2 wires inside it. This one also, if you cut from here, you will get 2 wires inside it. The reason behind they made like this means it's easy to connect. Okay, so it will be easy to connect. So they made 2 wires combined, and it will be helpful for us. So only the made. So let us move towards next point, the dome type IR cameras. Okay, this is a dome type IR camera, you can see on the screen. And as I explained you before this also, and now also I will explain you regarding the cables which are coming from the camera. Okay, as you can see it here, the power cable. Okay, this is a power cable. Black one is your power cable. Power cable is having a 2-core. If you cut this wire from here, you will get 2 wires. One will be the positive, one will be the negative. And the video output is here. The video output means it will transfer signals which we saw in the definition. It's a signal not publicly distributed but monitored. These signals are sent by means of video output. Okay, and the BNC will be connected to this end. And this one is a RS485, which is used for special purpose cameras. It will be used for PTZ camera. Okay, PTZ means pan, tilt and zoom cameras. Okay, so that is a special character, and it is used for special purpose. So next point is the camera connections. As you can see here, your basic camera and the cables coming from this like this, and one end will be the connected to PNC and another end will be the power supply. So these 2 cables are very important. If you connect these 2 cables, this end work will finish. Okay, so let us move towards next slide, which is a DVR. Full form of DVR is digital video recorder. Okay, as it name says everything, it will be used for recording purpose. So it's your typical DVR, and this is a front view. First diagram is a front view and second diagram is a back view of DVR. So as you can see it here, so many ports are provided to which you can connect your BNCs which are coming from the cameras with the cable. Okay, and this audio output. Okay, audio output is also provided. If your camera is having feature of audio, you can connect it here and you can listen it also. So these are the backside view, and these are all about the DVR. It is here one important part is VJ cable. Okay, I will explain you about the DVR in next slide. Just keep in mind, it is used for recording purpose. It is used for recording purpose. Inside RAM will be there like your CPU, and every data is stored in the RAM. Okay, so the RAM size will be available in TB. Okay, it will be available in 3 TB or 4 TB possible. Okay, according to the companies, and it will change according to company and the requirements. It will change. Okay, remember these things. So next point is coming up with the DVR port details. So I'll explain you the DVR port details. You can see it here, the video input ports. These are the video input ports. As a previous slide I explained you, the BNCs are connected here. So these are total number of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So these are 8 ports, so you can connect 8 cameras here. So maximum you can connect 16 cameras to one DVR. Okay, So you can connect 16 cameras to one DVR maximum. Okay, and this one is the video output and this one is the audio output. If you want to see the video which is recorded in this DVR, so you have to connect the one cable here, BNC cable, and another end it will be connected to your monitor. Okay, and VGA cable also is there. VGA out is connected to your monitor. So these two cables, if you connect to monitor, you can easily able to see the recordings. And the audio output, as I explained you, and HDMI feature also is available, and audio in is available. If your camera is having audio feature, you can connect that cable here. And this is a LAN port. Remember these things. I will this USB also. I will give you the diagram for VGA out and LAN port also. See here, as you can see on the screen, this one is the LAN cable, this one is the VGA cable. One end will be connected here, okay, and another end will be to monitor. Okay, and the LAN cable, if you want to connect this camera or this DVR, particular DVR in the network, you can use it. Okay, for long distance it will be usable. You can connect this one in the network, so you can able to see from some third floor or fourth floor. If your DVR is installed in the ground floor, so you can able to see it in third floor also because of LAN cable. Okay, so RS485 is given for special purpose cameras, and this one is DC 12 volt. Okay, DC 12 volt power supply is given to DVR to run this DVR. The next point is coming up with the power supply unit. As you can see it here on the screen, it is a manual power supply. Okay, and this one is on off switch. Okay, and these are the two inputs. Okay, you can connect your camera power cables here. One will be the positive, one will be the negative. These are the fuses provided. Maybe you got confused, what is this, right? So these are, don't be get confused, because these are your fuses. Okay, all these are fuses, and you can connect 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, around about 20 cameras you can connect in this power supply. Okay, so maximum number of you can connect is 20 cameras you can connect here. So this is your power supply. It may be 12 volt, it may be your 24 volt DC. Okay, these are used for indoor purpose. I am explaining you about the dome cameras, related to dome cameras. Okay, the next point is the connections. Okay, the connections, overall connections in this diagram I am going to explain you. Okay, and first we will start with cameras. Okay, the camera is having two cables, which will, one will be the BNC and one will be the power cable. Okay, so BNC we will connect here. As you can see it here, back side, these are the ports. Okay, these are the ports to connect the BNCs, so that the signals from cameras are transferred to this DVR. And below that, audio inputs are there. So if your camera is having audio feature, you can connect those connections here. And the right side of that, video out and VGA, which is used for monitor purpose. Okay, so if you have your monitor with you, you can connect that BNC and another end to this monitor. And the VGA cable, one end will be connected here and another end will be connected to monitor, so that you can see the recordings, what is happening actually in front of camera. Those recordings you can see it in monitor. Okay, by means of these two cables. And here you can see it, mouse and USB feature is given. Mouse and USB, for monitor purpose we are going to connect this mouse to this port, and the USB, obviously it is for to take what is recorded in this DVR. So if you want to take the overall data, you can take it in USB. And right side to that, RS485. RS485 is used for PTZ cameras. PTZ are the special purpose cameras. Full form of PTZ is pan, tilt and zoom. Okay, remember this thing. pan tilt time zone, full form of PTZ camera. RS485 is a special feature used for that one. It is required for that camera. And then right side to that, RS485 is the power input. Okay, the 12 volt power supply is given to this DVR and it will run. Okay, and in middle of the mouse and power input and RS485, the LAN port is provided. LAN port is provided to connect it to the internet. Okay, so once you connect it to this internet, you can able to see it in your mobile phone as well as in your another PCs, your desktops. You can see it in the special devices like this. Okay, so it is the LAN port is provided to this facility. Okay, for this facility LAN port is provided. And the overall view I'm going to explain you. You can see it here, your analog CCTV cameras. Okay, analog CCTV cameras. Okay, and these are the 12 volt DC power supply is given. 12 volt DC power supply is given to DVR. As you can see it here, the one end from the camera is coming to DVR and another end is going to power supply. Okay, every camera is having same thing. Okay, so remember these things. And LCD monitor, if you want to see it in LCD monitor, you can see it as I explained you. With the use of VGA and BNC, you can see it in LCD monitor. And this is the power supply unit. The power supply unit is given for this DVR as well as for the camera. Okay, and the next thing is router, your internet. Okay, so modem, which is I explained you before this. Okay, and this is the internet connection, so that you can able to see the remote view from virtually any internet connected devices. Okay, so it may be your PC or maybe your desktop or it may be your mobile phone or it may be another device. Okay. So next point is, thanks for watching. This is the overall view of and overall installation of the CCTV, basic CCTV cameras. Okay, so thanks for watching. Watch it, like it, share it, subscribe it, and presented by All In One Vicky. If you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for supporting, thanks for loving, thanks for everything. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you.